Lesson number 3, how to do keyword research. It is critical to figure out what your main keywords are going to be and what sub-keywords you can use. Keywords are ultimately going to be the basis for your video's title, description, and even the content. Ultimately, traffic is what you really care about. And finding out what people are searching for and what keywords are going to drive people to your videos and drive traffic is really what it's all about. So we're going to find out what's working and go backwards from there. Like with our competitive research, one great place to start is just to go with Google's suggested keywords. This is what users are actually searching for, so you don't really have to guess. Also, the suggestions will give you ideas for terms that your video and content might cover. As an example, if you just type in skateboard, you're going to get a whole bunch of keywords and phrases and other ideas of what people are actually searching for when they start typing in skateboard. You can do this with any keyword, and it's just another valuable tool to use when doing keyword research. One of the things we find when people start doing keyword research and start learning about search engine optimization is that they're afraid to be too narrow. I think there's a natural tendency for people to think, well, if I go with a big, broader, popular keyword, that increases my universe. There's going to be more people searching for it. But the problem with that is you normally get lost in just that sea of competition with these big keywords. The more specific you can be is generally always the better. If you're more specific, if your universe and your competition for a certain phrase or keyword is smaller, that just increases your chances of being clicked. And the more you're clicked, the better you'll look to YouTube's algorithm. Clicks and views equal a higher search ranking. So just like we did with the competitive channel and video research, let's do some live research for keywords.
Okay, so from analyzing the previous videos with the top 3 videos to kind of get an idea of what the titles were, what the descriptions were, if we look at the 3 and we refer back to this, the question is, what are the commonalities between the titles? Obviously the keyword Instant Pot, but we also noticed that the top one and the third one, they all have the keyword beginners. So beginners in Instant Pot. Instant Pot for beginners, all right? So if we go back up here and we go to youtube.com and we type in Instant Pot, what do we get? So when you have a drop down like this is what we call the suggested keywords. And you'll see this in amazon.com, you'll see this in google.com and other major search engines. And what this is high demand and highly searched keyword terms. So in other words, if a lot of people are searching for these keywords, then they'll show up in the drop-down menu, right? So Instant Pot Chicken happens to be a very highly searched term. And take a look at this. This one is related to Instant Pot Chicken. So that means there's a lot of people searching for Instant Pot Chicken.
So I'm going to pause right here and make a note about keyword research. You're going to see a lot of keyword research resources on the web if you just Google keyword research tools, keyword finders. There's all sorts of websites that will claim to give that kind of information. Some of them there are good, but to be honest, some of them aren't really as accurate as they would claim. You get all sorts of mixed data. So it's just something to keep in mind that honestly, the best keyword research really and the simplest, and to be honest, they're free, is to just use YouTube and Google search results and look at what the suggestions are, kind of all over the place. We're going to go over a little more using Google search results in the continuation of this lesson in the next video.